This is walking into 38 Park. You can see it's a beautiful condominium here in IT Park. Let's walk into the lobby area, 38 Park Avenue, right there. Gorgeous. Very nice. Welcome to life in masterpiece, in a masterpiece right there. Look at that. Here we are at 38 Park swimming pool on the 26th floor. Welcome. How beautiful is this? Very nice. This is a gorgeous view of Cebu and the ocean and Lapu-Lapu. How nice is this?
So nice, sir. Your money's worth it.
Spoken like a true sales representative.
Because of the locations, it's very accessible to all.
Really? Here's an outdoor shower for you.
Is it okay?
It's okay for me. Oh, there's a beautiful golf course down there. You see the golf course?
Yeah, you can see the golf course. Yeah, it's near the golf course also. That is why this building or this unit quite expensive compared to others. Because the amenities is super.
And you have a mountain view over there.
Yeah. Sa Mactan Hill Town, ma'am, kaya rin yung mga kuwan, ma'am.
This is a beautiful pool. There's a hot tub. Look at the gorgeous view, 38 Park Avenue in Cebu City. Here we are in a one-bedroom unit in 38 Park, here in IT Park. You can see the neutral coloring, one bedroom, 55,000 peso. That appears to be a king-size bed. It does have mini split air conditioning units. There is a balcony right here, friends. There is 2 split air conditioning units right there, and there is a balcony that faces the street. One bedroom, 38 Park. Let's see if we can go outside and see what the balcony looks like. This is your balcony. Small balcony, very small balcony. This is the 10th floor. It is overlooking Cebu City, and you see an airplane. That is Lapu-Lapu International Airport. Let's go back in this unit. This unit is west facing, all windows. It is a corner unit. Here's your view. It's close to the Ayala Mall. Has built-in shelving units. Wi-Fi is included. Association condo dues are included. This is the comfort room, known as a bathroom, with a shower. It is tile. Seems very comfortable. There's a glass divider. That is your shower space right there. Small refrigerator, neutral coloring, tile backsplash.
Yeah, they open 6 a.m., close at 9.
Here we are at the gym on the 26th floor of 38 Park. These are the operating hours of the gym, 6 a.m. to 9 p.m. You can see it has 4 treadmills. It has some free weights right there. It has people demonstrating how they .26 floors up, looking at the gym.